Today we got a video from Bay Area Body Cam, and the title of the video is, "This is why you pull over when cops turn on their lights."
Stop your vehicle and roll your windows down. Police, pull over now. Why don't you pull over?
I was about to.
Stand right here.
My brakes was tripping.
You have your driver's license on you?
What's up, man? I was on my way to work, man.
Okay, so when the police get behind you and try to pull you over, you don't keep driving, okay?
Yeah.
I need something with your photo on it. This is a traffic stop.
I don't have no ID on me.
Okay. Keep your hands out of your pockets. What's your first, last name, date of birth? And I pulled you over for the plate covering. We couldn't read your plate, for the record, when we were driving. That's unlawful to have on your vehicle.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, you want to run the plate, Johnny?
What's all the yelling about?
He's just frustrated because we tried lighting him up down the street and he just kept on driving. Yeah, you see how if you like step to the side, it's kind of blurry. You can't read it.
Man, he probably hiding something, man. You ain't got no ID.
Oh, no, it's a little blurry. It's a little blurry.
Sorry, when you look at it straight, though.
Yeah.
Okay, so do me a favor. I'm not going to take you nowhere, okay? But while we investigate this, I need you to put your hands behind your back, okay? You're just detained for a second, okay? Fair enough? It would have been a lot easier if you just pulled over. We'd follow you over here and do the whole rigmarole, okay? Would you be more comfortable if you sat on my front bumper or in the vehicle? Just while I investigate this and prepare any citation.
Some bumper?
Bumper? All right.
Okay, nice cop, man of options, you know? He cooked. He know he cooked.
I'll do it. What's that? No. Is the car on still? Is it a push? Is it?
Yeah, I'll do it. Can it talk?
Yeah.
No.
So it's probably based on all the circumstances. Like we tried to pull you over there, a couple blocks away, you took off, you didn't stop, your license. Whose car is it?
Mom's.
Okay.
Hey, about to tow it, huh?
No, we're still here, dude. No, we're not in it.
I just came here to go to work, man.
I think they changed it at the bottom of the cab.
What is it, San Francisco? The hill reminds me of like San Francisco.
Yeah. So underneath our new policy, like you're kind of catching. We're towing the car, but you're kind of catching a break because underneath our new policy, we're supposed to take you to CJ, even just. But over here, my partner, he's at his discretion. He's not going to book you today. He's just giving you a bunch of people. Okay, and you're not going to CJ.
321, Adam, clear for. You have to hit the button.
Registration's up to date on the car. You just call your mom after we get all your paperwork done and you're done here, and just tell her that I cut out return, so she can go down there right away.
Tori, good to go, bro?
Yeah, I told you. Yeah, it's on the way. She could probably tell them if she's having any financial struggles. Oh, she's all the way in Antioch?
Yeah, I just got from Antioch. You got like a binder back there. You need that paperwork there? Oh, yeah, I need the paperwork. Yeah. The red binder? Yeah, and the book. The book, too.
Damn. Should have pulled over. Oh, San Francisco SF.
Let you go, sir. John, you mind taking him out of cuffs? He's going to explain some stuff to you that's been explained before. Okay? Obviously, you know the car is being towed. I I got approval from my sergeant not to arrest you. We have a new policy where if you're cited for driving without revocations, you can be booked into jail. I'm not going to do that today, but I have to tow the car, which is why the tow truck's here. Okay? You guys just mind moving them over here, give the tow a little room. And I'll move my car over here. Just stay over here until I do the paperwork with you, sir.
I knew that looked like San Francisco.
I wasn't here when my partner did. So not admission of guilt. You're agreeing to go to traffic school if eligible. Okay, pay the fine on this citation. And or contesting in court. You're being cited for misdemeanor driving. The plate cover, that's a correctable citation, so it's the responsibility of Antoinette. It was removed. I'm going to put it in my report. The case number's on here, but that should be an administrative site. And then you're not driving without an ignition interlock device as required by law. Correct, Officer Martin?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you know that thing you have to blow into before the car starts? You know that you're supposed to drive the vehicle equipped with that. And that's a separate misdemeanor. The key to the car?
Yeah.
I'll give you a copy of the citation, okay?
Yeah, I gotta work, man.
You sure you don't got the key on you? In your pocket?
Nah, man.
So we just give you a copy of the ticket real quick.
I know she's all the way in Antioch, but I'd just call her right now and tell her to come down here because every single day you leave it in there, it's just gonna, it's gonna, because there's no holes in the vehicle. So once it gets to auto return, you can literally just pick it up. So it might be less than $100 or something like that. You don't want it to be more or anything like that, you know? I'll let you know where he's gonna take it before he leaves. Yeah.
That form you have too, the little one, that talks about the hearing. There's a hold on it for stop traffic offender.
Oh, there is a hold. Oh,
yeah,
sorry.
There's a
so
hold
you can't.
Because basically there's a hold anytime you.
This ad is presented by yours truly. I just want to let you know that I love you and I appreciate you for supporting this YouTube channel. I also want to let you know that for exclusive drops and early releases, go to patreon.com/ShyGotEm. That's patreon.com/ShyGotEm. The link is also in the description section. Let's get back to the video.
Basically, there's a hold anytime you. Antoinette or you are going to have to, I think Antoinette, she owns the car, they have to go to the stop window at the Hall of Justice and work.
You're not paying attention, man.
So have her go down to the Hall of Justice today, right? She go down today, right?
You can't, I think you can go down, yeah, but it's going to take me a little bit to write the report, so you probably can't get a hearing today, a tow hearing. I think it's going to probably be tomorrow's the earliest. Because the report has to be written and I have to submit all the documentation to the DA's office. Okay? Yeah, thanks, Chris.
I know the 15 out of them probably said something to you, but if you can't come out and help us out here, we need to block off.
So you've been cited, the car's being towed. Turn my camera off, there's no more law enforcement.
He cooked, man. Man, driving hot. Now, at that point, it don't even matter if you was to pull over immediately or driving home or whatever, right? Your car is still going to get towed regardless because of the circumstances. But when the cop is pulling you over, I don't understand why you just don't pull over. You know, like, why do all the extra stuff? Because that's going to put the cop on alert and be like, wait, hold on, you know? And that's when things get escalated for no reason. You bring an extra tension and stress and everything to the officer for no reason. And that's why he get out all hostile and everything. Now it's like, oh, why you yelling? What's all the yelling? What you mean? I don't know what you got. Traffic stops are dangerous anyway. Cops are pulling up on somebody and they don't know what they got, what they doing, nothing. We see, you know, cops get, and my light just turned off. Hold on, man. Let me turn on the other light then. See, now you see me full effect, man. But anyway, I don't know why that light turned off. But anyways, cops could pull up, you know what I mean? Pull up on a traffic stop, and then next thing you know, their head is blown off. Traffic stops are dangerous, man. Really, really dangerous. But anyway, so there's no need to add the extra stress and the extra, tension that there's going to be for no reason. But anyway, I get a cop. Man, he was cool, man. So I'm going to give him a 3 out of 5, because he did his job, but he didn't do all the extra stuff by bringing him in, booking him and all of that. Like, cool dude, man. So you get a 3 out of 5 from me. Let me know how well you think the officers did in the comment section below, and I'm going to catch you in the next video.